Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video and it is a hair review. I know you all like the hair reviews on my channel, so I'm super excited to be doing another one. And first of all, I want to thank Xclusive Hair Company for sending me this hair to review. It is Brazilian silky straight. I think, oh my goodness, see, I should have got this together before I filmed. The lengths, I have a closure, 3 bundles. I have a 10-inch closure, I believe, 12, 14, 16. And like I said, the texture is straight. And I just finished flat ironing it because it's been curly for the past few days. So I've had this hair in for about 2 months now, going on 2 months, something like that. I started off with a side part, then I changed it, and then got a middle part. The hair is really soft. Look at it. Look how like bouncy it is and stuff. It doesn't shed a lot, like if not at all, because I was just in here brushing my hair and then I'm like, nothing is in the sink, you know, like with some hair I can like brush my hair and do it over sink and there to be hair everywhere. This hair doesn't shed, so that is good. Like it's still full and still full from like when I first got it. And even though it's like silky straight, it holds a curl very well. Like I had curled and my curls lasted me a while. Like then I just had the natural wave when the curls finally did drop or whatever. So yeah, the hair curls and it takes to like heat good, like whether you're curling your hair, drying it, or straightening it. And I'm like so mad because I was supposed to do like a little clip when I first got the hair, like an initial review or something like that, but I got lazy and then I must have forgot or something like that. But I will insert a picture. The bundles, they're like pretty, you know, a decent amount. Like some bundles be like real thin and not that much hair, but these have a decent amount. So you can really do like a full head with like 3 bundles and a closure that will do you justice. You don't have to worry about your hair being skimpy or what they call it, stringy. So the hair, it doesn't tangle that much like in the nape area, but that's like with every hair, like up in here it starts to tangle, but like it really don't tangle that much. Well, but this hair doesn't tangle a lot. It doesn't like mat up or get nappy. Like I just throw right in my bonnet every night, take the bonnet off, brush it out, no problem. I will leave a link down below to the website, of course, and that's where you can find their prices. I'm gonna insert how much what I got would have costed, so I'm gonna put that down in the video somewhere. It's a new company, so I was kind of worried because, you know, new companies, they just put out hair and they don't really, you know, make sure it's of good quality. But this hair is of good quality, and I'm not just saying that like this is my real opinion. Like I've been liking it ever since I put it in. It didn't have a smell to it. You know how some hair have a weird smell? It didn't have a smell to it. It didn't have like any weird colored pieces of thread like some hair have. I've been seeing that a lot in human hair, but I haven't seen it in this hair, thank goodness. Like, y'all know what I'm talking about, them little colored pieces of thread, they be like in the weft somewhere. But yeah, the closure, it's easy to make it look natural, but mine's is like grown out right now, so that's why mine's is kind of, you know, so sorry about that. But my hair grew out and my closure went back. But it's easy to like make the closures look natural. All I have to do is bleach knots, which I didn't do, and I'm planning on doing it next time I install this hair. It isn't like dents or anything where you have to, where it looks fake, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's a nice amount of hair, nice density. Video isn't going to be long at all because I haven't put any chemicals on here, so I don't know how well it takes chemicals, and I do plan on doing that too. I want to, you know, play in some color. I don't know yet. Comment down below, give me some ideas. So I will be testing the hair more throughout, you know, time. So like I said, I've only had this in for 2 months and I haven't done anything like chemical wise to it. So, and I'm super excited to do that because I feel like it's gonna turn out good, because this is some good hair. So there are definitely more pros than cons, and I don't even call it a con, but I recommend this hair. It's affordable, it's of good quality. I know it's gonna last me a long time, so I'm gonna leave all the information down below. Again, the links, the texture, everything, the website, the Instagram page you can follow and like and support. I just can't wait to get my hair reinstalled fresh. I think I might do a wig next, so let me know if y'all want to see me do a wig making video. That is the end of my little short review. I hope I've covered anything that you would want answered in the video. If not, you could comment down below and I'll definitely reply. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.